name's InsenerKarl, and today we are unboxing the Razer Huntsman V2 keyboard with the red optical switches. So these are linear switches. The other option is clicky switches. Tried them out at the store. Well, I think linear is a better option. Although clickies are nice, they're like Razer Queens, but maybe a bit too much. Maybe a bit too clicky, so open it up. Actually, it was opened up in the store once, just so I could try it out, so really nice guy. Let me open it up, try it. So, Razer stuff. Thank you for being the owner, Razer. A manual and probably some stickers. Yeah, stickers. So, now the important part, the keyboard. So, you know, packaged pretty well. So we have the keyboard and the wrist rest. And that's it. You know, just a regular box. So let's toss it to this on the side. So this is, you know, my old keyboard, the Logitech G513, I think. Pretty decent keyboard, but the spacebar doesn't work half the time anymore. I really haven't had good luck with the Logitech products. Logitech mouse stopped working, now the keyboard, so there was no way in hell I was going to buy another Logitech product for now. So these are tactile switches, I really like them. But since this keyboard didn't have a tactile option, I chose the next best thing, which I think linear, although the clicky switches are closer to the tactiles in feel, but they're loud as hell, and well, they didn't feel bad. So this one sounds pretty good. Like in the videos, it didn't sound this good. Sounds much better than this. Like in the video, it sounded a bit rattly and stuff, but in real life it sounds really good in my opinion. Of course, you know, then there are the keyboard master race people who I think like, oh, buy custom. Well, fuck you, I ain't buying custom because I ain't trying to spend my entire paycheck on a keyboard, and this one feels good enough to me. So let's open up the wrist rest. I never have had a keyboard with a wrist rest, but sometimes I wish I had one, so now I do. So let's prop the feet up. So there are like two levels, small and big. Let's put small first of all. I don't know, pretty awesome. I was also considering the SteelSeries Apex 9 10 kilos, but I need a keyboard since, you know, engineering and stuff. So feels really good to type on. So I don't know. I will plug it in and show it to you then as well. And yeah. So got the keyboard plugged in. I will try it first at the wrist rest, as I'm used to. So like, I am not a great typer, like a fast one, but So, 61 words per minute. Not fast at all, like compared to some typers. But it's much better than my last keyboard. You know, yesterday I was doing typing test, you know, 40, max 50 words per minute because, you know, spacebar didn't work, stuff like that. This one, pretty good. Like, you know, yeah, I should probably try typing more, but I am really happy with this keyboard. You know, from first impressions, and the software should also be better than the question. What's it called? Logitech software, because that software for keyboards is ass. Like, I can't even assign a macro to a random, I don't know, key. Like, I wanted to assign a macro to this key. Now you couldn't. You can only use the function keys. Like, what the fuck? So yeah. Anyway, I think it's an awesome keyboard, especially since I only paid, I don't know if it's only, but like I paid 118 euros for it, including 24% VAT tax, so pretty good. So yeah, I really enjoyed the keyboard so far. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one.